So if your quads are getting sore, your knees are hurting, something is wrong in that sequence when you're doing your squat pattern. So I'm going to show you a quick little demonstration here of an overhead squat with a dowel rod and how my body reacts to it. And you can do this in the mirror and kind of gauge yourself to where you can see where your deficiencies are at. So just look at yourself in the mirror and you're going to take a dowel rod, place it on the top of your head, and then fully extend your arms. So your elbows are locked out. When you're going to go into a squat now, your feet should be hip width, toes pointed straight ahead. You're going to drop down nice and slow, as low as you can get, and back up. Ideally, your knees are going to stay in a straight line, your toes are going to stay straight. The dowel rod is going to stay to the middle of your head, towards the back of your head, and your squat pattern will be to 90 degrees. Here, 90 or lower, keeping the feet flat, head up. If you notice your feet start to turn out, that's going to indicate some calf tightness. So what you'll see is you're squatting and your feet will start to turn out as you squat. So calf tightness is not necessarily a bad thing, but when you're squatting, it's going to be really bad because what it's going to do is start to turn the feet and also twist on the knee. So everything gets torqued a little bit. So you want to start implementing more calf stretching before you do your squats. So your typical calf stretch would be down like this, or you can get on your hands and knees, put one foot over, and try and drive your heel into the ground to stretch the calf. Another option, if you keep on stretching and you feel that tightness still, you still want to do your squat, is to actually put a lift on your heel. So you can take a weight plate, stand, put your heels on it, and then drop down. What that does is it takes the stretch relationship between your calf and your ankle and makes it a little bit longer so you can get into a deeper squat without going onto your toes. So does anybody want to come up here and do a couple of squats and we can analyze how their ankles are turning in and out? No? No takers? Yeah. So we're just looking straight at the toes. So you're going to make sure your toes are pointed straight ahead. Down hip width. Lock those arms out. Go ahead and go into a squat. And we're just going to look right at his toes and see if his toes are going to move out at all. Do about 4 or 5. Have you seen any movement in there? Not too much, right? Good. All right, go ahead and relax. But now, if you look at his shoes, he's cheating a little bit. He's got a heel.
Right.
So take those shoes off, and then we'll see how your body reacts. Toes point straight ahead. Turn this right foot up. There you go. A little more difficult with your feet flat. Yeah. Start to turn out. More so that right foot than the left foot. Okay. Relax. So anyone see a little bit of a difference there? You see how his ankles almost want to collapse in a little bit? So you might have a little bit of calf tightness, not too major. You'll really see if you got some calf tightness that your feet are going to want to turn out a lot. So working from the ankles up is looking at the feet, see if they're turning out. Another, yes.
What about the rolling out? Like there's a little bit of
a little pronation, supination there. That where your feet should stay flat. One, it could be an arch issue with the arch of your foot, could be tight, or once again, it's the calf related to the calf and soleus could be tight, and so you want to stretch that out. So any kind of instability of the ankle is going to be related to some kind of tightness or weakness in that area. So first off, stretch, and then strengthen later. So because usually it's more of a tightness issue than a strength issue.